Simple rules did hereby. Thank you so much for that, Geun. Moving on, as the Korean government works around the clock to eradicate the MERS virus, President Park Geun expressed concerns about the economic impact of the outbreak, ensuring the public or administration will do all that it can to contain the virus. She also asked for their support to help her reach that goal. Our Choi You reports.
At Tuesday's cabinet meeting, President Park Geun said the MERS outbreak should not put a damper on the Korean economy. She reassured the nation that the virus can be contained because it hasn't spread beyond the medical facilities into the general population.
국민 여러분께서도 마음이 불안하시겠지만 과민하게 반응해서 경제 활동이 위축되지 않도록 협조해 주시기를 바랍니다.
President Park then called on officials to take measures to minimize the virus's economic impact, such as by offering targeted support for businesses in the affected regions and industries. Stressing that patients can recover from a bout with MERS, the president asked the Korean people to report suspected cases of infection and to follow authorities' instructions after having come into contact with the virus.
정부와 의료계를 포함한 국민 모두가 합심해서 총력 대응해 나간다면 메르스를 빠른 시일 내에 종식시킬 수 있을 것입니다.
Looking ahead, President Park called for a system for responding and managing new types of diseases, especially in the era of globalization. Health authorities say the outbreak will hit a critical turning point in the coming days, and some members of both the ruling and opposition parties are urging the president to reschedule her U.S. visit next week. While President Park's spokesperson said there wasn't anything he could say about the upcoming trip, there's a possibility the president may decide to shorten it depending on developments in the outbreak. Choi You, Arirang News.